How to exit guided access on iPhone if forgotten passcode. To get started, first ensure guided access is enabled in your accessibility settings. Once it's set up, you can start a session by triple-clicking the lock side button within any app. As shown, a notification will appear, confirming that guided access has started. While in this mode, you are locked into the current application, preventing you from switching apps or returning to the home screen. To exit, triple-click the side button again. This will reveal the guided access menu with options at the top of the screen. Here, you can choose End as shown. You may be prompted for your passcode or Face ID. A notification will then confirm that guided access has ended. Following these steps, you can easily exit guided access on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.